Hey guys, welcome back to another shop with me. Today I am visiting three Dollar Trees to see what they have added. You guys know that things go quick, so what I find in one store I don't find in the other, etc. So let's start off at this Dollar Tree. I saw these pouches in different summer prints, and let's look at the fall decor. They did get these trucks in. They are metal, and I'll give you a far away view. Previously, we saw the tractor that says welcome to our farm. They did add the blue truck. It's this one right here with the sunflowers. Let me switch hands because I had it on my non-dominant hand and I had another sign that I had already picked up. There's the fall and home signs. Hello autumn, welcome, thankful and blessed. The sizes of these are, magnificent. They do have these pumpkin sticks right here, more of a yellowish and an orange in the back. We saw these already, but I'll show them quickly. And look at the Halloween items at this Dollar Tree. Lots of the DIY, the Day of the Dead, and I was happy to find these pumpkins right here. I think they are small and they add a nice addition. Lots of leaves and lights we have already seen, the DIY kits, these mason jar signs, the stickers, and lots of these monogram pumpkins we have already seen. These were just added in my stores, the harvest. We did see the blue one, and sorry that I have the big sign on my other hand, so it's kind of hard. That's the one we saw. As you can see, the pillows are selling quick, so I did find this one, Grateful Hearts Gather Here, and the one with the faux wood, Bless Our Family. Here they have more berry picks. And let's look at the display here. Lots of pumpkins that we have already seen. And let's see this side. I was happy to find more floral. Look at that. That's my wedding colors. So happy I found more. I'm always hunting for, more floral. They do have lots of adorable felt stickers. Look at the witch's hat. I thought those were so cute. The hangers in purple are black. They have more felt stickers here. Look at the jack-o'-lanterns. Thought those were so nice. Lots of lights. Here I found some Halloween picks. And I found these signs. I thought these were going to be smaller, to be honest, when I saw them online, but those are really big. And I found these mini pumpkins. I just think they're a nice addition where you want a pop of orange, so I got those. And I do have an upcoming haul, not just Dollar Tree, of, all the other stores we have visited. These came to my store, Fall Harvest. They're so pretty in comparison to the ones that they had previously. Here are the signs we have already seen. They did stock on the velvet pumpkins. And I'm happy that these finally got to my stores. Fall home, happy fall, welcome. Those are great. Here's a better look at these stakes. The sun was shining through, so it was a nice view. So this is another Dollar Tree if you don't notice. Lots of these picks with the eyeballs that they put out every year. More berry picks. And I found these cotton picks, and those are way better than the ones that they put out earlier. So that's just a tip. These are different. They feel thicker and sturdier. I was so surprised. They do have lots of wall decorations and door decorations, or Either or. Those look like some skeletons. And then this one here I thought was nice. It has the potion bottles and the witch's pot. This Dollar Tree surprised me. Oh my goodness. It was stocked from head to toe, but not necessarily from the top to the bottom. I was amazed. Look at these, so nice. Wow. I came at a very nice time. Look at these ribbons. These are a little longer than the ones that they usually have. The ones that they always put are a little shorter. You can pause it here for the measurements. These are 6 feet. There are the ones I was talking about. You see they're a little shorter. Lots of more pumpkins. They stocked so nicely. These are so pretty. Great for just $1. And look at the signs. So many signs this time. This made me so happy. They also have the signs here. And more of these pumpkins. I did like this sign. Thought it was nice. I decided to get some for my sister. She doesn't really decorate, but you know, she's kind of starting to get, you know, inspired by me. So I was like, I should just give her some items. And I'm happy that I found the white ones because those are the ones I really wanted. I did just do a fall collection inventory video where I unbox my fall decor, so I'll link that video down below. It does contain an ongoing farmhouse giveaway, so if you would like to check it out, you still have time to enter. Check the description box for all the info. I thought these were nice. And then as I was, you know, looking upward, I noticed something you guys are gonna see that I thought was perfect for my wedding, because I was thinking how I should decorate the church, you know. And you know, they always put like a tulle or something and ribbon around the pews. And then I saw these flowers which match perfectly, and they will be so much easier because they are just clip-on. So you guys know I got all of these. Thank you, Dollar Tree. They did add these little picks here. I did get a couple of the white ones. These are just so great for just $1. Amazing. I am so curious as to what Dollar Tree will do for Christmas, because my goodness, all of these are just so great. Them and Dollar General, they are doing so nicely. Lots and lots of floral. This Dollar Tree has high walls, as you can see, high ceiling, so they stock, you know, really high. These sold out quickly last time, so I'm sure they're gonna sell again. They have the pumpkin. It's, I think, a gourd, an owl, and a witch. Those are for DIY. And then I saw these. I thought they were plastic, but I felt that they were so heavy, and that's when I noticed that they are glass. Those are great for the DIY potions, or you know, little things that they made at Target's dollar spot last year. So those are wonderful for that. You just have to put a label and maybe some fun glitter in there. They have these wood chip die cut signs. Happy Halloween, Wicked, Boo, Spooky. And this is what this Dollar Tree had. This is the one I was at last week when the lady was like following me around. Things change up quick. I found more of the berries on this side. And lots of ribbon. Look at these down here. I thought this color was very nice. It's a very deep burgundy red, very pretty. And I had not seen these. I thought they were pretty, and they are a little shorter, so I think these are nice to put, on a tier tray, or, to add some fall colors. Everything here is the same except these lights down here. They added the mesh lights, and look, they restocked these fillers. You guys know I love them for my decor, and look at the baby ones. I thought those were so adorable. I use them and I recommend them, for filler on a tier tray or anywhere else. They did add these rugs right here. I had not seen these. They are pretty, rough, to be honest, so not that great. And I saw these socks here. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited for Christmas. And they also started adding the Starburst collection. That's how they call it. Look at these. I hadn't seen these. These are pot and pan protectors. I thought that was interesting. I saw they added lots of basic, solid kitchen essentials, which is nice because sometimes you just want something like this. If you have a, very fun patterned towel, maybe just want to match it like that. I saw these dry erase planner things. They are pretty big. And some organizers in gray or black. Those are wonderful for just $1. Very sturdy. And that is it, guys. Those are the new finds of this week. I hope you guys enjoyed this shop with me. Watch my previous video to enter that giveaway. Please like this video and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a wonderful day. Love you guys so much. Goodbye.